Eddie, what's going on, man? How's it going? Just trying to tweet this out here. Market's open in about 4 minutes. My funded futures. I'm ready to click the button, but just waiting to see if anyone else wants to join. How'd you do today, Eddie? Yeah, Eddie. I kind of had a base hit day today as well. Pretty much was green on everything, but just like a couple $100 on each account, which is fine. Nothing big. Tomorrow we have President Trump speaking at 11 a.m. Eastern, so that's going to be scary to be in any positions, that's for sure. So I'm definitely going to want to be flat for that. And unemployment tomorrow at 8:30. Well, the markets are open. Thanks, Eddie, man. Appreciate it. So I've been watching a lot of gold in the overnight session. I kind of been forward testing a strat that for the NQ. It's been working pretty well. Oh yeah, today, yeah, we got that grind up, so Investors, what's happening? Oh yeah, you trade a lot of gold. Oh, I just been observing like the trend lines and things within the overnight sessions. Kind of like trades by Slade style. He's the one that I kind of noticed doing it, and then so I've been watching it a little bit in the Asian. I haven't been trading that much of it, but just in the overnight. Especially when the NQ starts getting really slow. Oh yeah, yeah. It can be tricky for sure. Feels good when you get a nice gold win. I look like my stream cut out there for a minute. Oh, NQ beats you up, yeah. Yeah, it beats me up too some days. Can't get away from it though. I love it. Ooh, market's starting out pretty slow. Could just be absolutely dead, which is, you know, typical because I decided to stream tonight. But it's gonna be a shorter stream for an hour or so. Short coming in on trade the break of the higher time frame, like the break of this 4-hour low on the gold during volume. Made a good trade on CL today. A little decent trade. I think we got like, I don't know. What do we get? Was it only 9 ticks that I got? Seems like I got more. Just waiting for a few more people to join, maybe. I'm gonna go to the My Funded Futures and request a payout, and I'm gonna time it to see how long it takes. And hopefully it's pretty quick. This account has been through its ups and downs. So the daily loss limit has stopped me. It's pretty healthy now. It's I got it up to 53,000. So we're gonna have some buffer to play with. So hopefully we can keep the count for a while. But as you see here, we had some ups and downs. We hit daily loss limit twice. But that's okay. Daily loss limits save me sometimes. As long as they're a soft breach. Unlike take profit trader when they're a hard breach. So, but yeah, the statistics are not that great. You know, I definitely have room for improvement, but we got to a payout, so that's all that really matters. When it comes to the prop firms. But because we hit the daily loss limit twice, and then I ended up hitting $1,197 the next day after this loss limit, and then $1,218 the next day after this loss limit. Pretty much, got back all of what I lost. I really had to build that consistency back up. So, but I wish it was a starter plus or a expert account or whatever they have, because this is just a starter account, so I can only take out 1,200 max. And like there was days where I definitely like stopped trading it, like here and here. That's what I like about the Top Step X. You don't have to worry about that consistency. You can just keep trading or send it. Add to your winners. Let them push. Oh yeah, investors for sure. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I still struggle walking away on a red day. I really struggle. It's that competitive nature in me, So you want to win, right? But the best loser wins, right? And I know this. It's just actually doing it, It's tough. But thankfully for the daily loss limits, like I'm actually considering putting the loss limit on the Top Step X, because they actually will lock you out if you hit it. Unlike, actually setting a loss limit on Trade of 8, you can just go back in and get rid of it. So you can set the risk limit. So daily loss limit. So it's set by the provider for 1,200, but like on Take Profit Trader, that's gone now. So you can set your own loss limit, but like I said before, is that you can just go back in, reset it, and then just keep trading. Discipline, right? Gotta have the discipline. Vince, thanks for the sub. Yeah, Vince. I'm lurking. I'm usually lurking in all the streamers. You blew it on purpose. Why'd you blow it on purpose? Alright, so we got 10 viewers right now. I'm going to request a payout here. $1,200. The count's up to 3,000 right now, so I'm going to take the max payout and request now. So it's requested. Pending review. Let's set the stopwatch here. And let's see. And if we see something, a trade set up, I'm going to take it. But it's all right, Vince, man. I blew a combine or evaluation today on Tradeify, so. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, 30K in 3 days in practice. Yeah. So yeah, you just gotta work on your. I mean, 150K is great for sure. But believe it or not, Vince, I've gotten my largest single payout now with 25K accounts. Now I was copy trading 10 accounts, but there were only 25K accounts. And I would, make $100 to $200 a day on each one of those accounts with micros, and yeah, so I ended up getting the payout, my largest single payout. But yeah, I appreciate you subbing, Vince, and stopping in. Mo Lester, what's happening? Thanks for joining. $5K per payout, yeah. Yeah, but I mean, that's still pretty good. And you're allowed to have like 5 Top Step accounts, so I might look for a little scalp here. What do we got setting up? In the Asian session, I kind of look for like 1-to-1s, like just 10 points and 10 points. It's kind of how I play it. I don't normally trade the Asian session a lot, so let's refresh the payout. Look, guys, I already got paid. I missed it within 2 minutes. So that's pretty sweet. $1,200 paid. So I think I got paid before that. I think it was, I don't know. I think it was under 2 minutes. I didn't even notice. I should have been refreshing. So My Funded Futures pays super quick. It's unfortunate they won't work with me as an affiliate, but so they're definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, so I'm hoping to get a Tradeify payout pretty soon, Investors. I'm hoping in the next week or two. So I definitely want to get my tuition back from Tradeify because I have yet to get a payout from them. I also passed the Take Profit Trader account. I just need to flip it for a few 2 more days. I wish they would get rid of the 5-day, the 5 days that you gotta pay, trade it. Sorry, I was distracted there for a second. There it is. I got paid on Rise. Got the email. So once it's in your RiseWorks account, then you can just withdraw it and it right to your bank, and it's pretty quick. Hey Simon, what's going on? Thanks for stopping in. Are you down 1,000? Well, that's, I mean, 10 days ago before the rebill, yeah. I very rarely make it to the rebuild. It's either a smash it or pass it. Well, Investors, yeah, I mean, a lot of people are getting payouts, you know. They're getting to the payouts. I mean, the information's out there. It's just, I mean, the strategies are out there. There is no magic strategy, but you know, I think there's a lot of psychology videos online. I think people are just kind of figuring out the prop game. Oh, it was a giveaway account? Bonus. Sweet. 30 days only. Yeah, I mean, Simon, just, you know, just stick to your strategy as best you can. I mean, that's all I got for you. Really let your winners win. Try to push your winners. But you'll get there. Yeah, I'm not so sure about that, investors. I think they're still making tons of money. I mean, it took me 3 years to get a payout. Yeah, I agree, Molester. Yeah, I know. I'd like to see another Apex discount as well. So Buellanox right now is running 75% off. That's one of the better deals going on right now. You can just use, it's option 1. You guys can use code PINE if you want to try out Buellanox. Not the best prop firm out there, but they're solid. I got 6 evals that I'm working on right now with Buellanox. Yeah, investors for sure. I mean, they come out with statistics sometimes, and the amount of money like Top Step makes is just insane. I'm still paying attention to the charts, guys. I'll pull up the chart here. Market looks slow tonight. Looks like it's frozen. But yeah, that went super quick, that payout, so I was kind of thinking it was going to go a little longer than that. But yeah, they're definitely improving on their payouts. But yeah, Mo's right. I mean, there's only a few that actually make it to the payout, and you take companies that are direct to funded, that like fast track trading. You knew the sharks were going to come out. I mean, I did. I loaded up on fast track and I got some quick payouts. Quick. It's like you knew. But you have the companies like Tradeify that have direct to funding and evaluations. So they're doing just fine. The only thing that I'd be worried about is, government regulation or something like that. And I can really see it after, profit trade and fast track trading, and they all closed the doors and kind of rug pulled everyone. So you're going to start seeing probably some regulations. I wouldn't be a bit surprised. But, they'll drag their feet on that forever. So I'm just going to keep trading these props till I can't anymore. I mean, I got my personal account that I'm trading as well, so we didn't make that much on it today, just like $90. But it's a good little start to the year. I think I'm up net profit wise with all the props and the personal. So net profit, I'm up about $5,383. So as long as I don't do anything stupid the rest of the month and go on tilt, then it'll be a nice solid month to start the year. But like that thing where I tend to have one really bad day within once a month and just destroy my accounts. So right now we have like, oops. We have like a 26 point range so far. This is just horrible. Take a look at gold here. So we got 13 viewers. Thanks for everyone stopping in. If you're just checking out, we got a payout approved in less than 2 minutes on My Funded Futures. So awesome. I hate having to wait, you know, for your payout. I mean, it's already out of my Funded Futures account. So we got $1,854.98 of drawdown. Well, actually, it'd be like $1,700 because it's 50,100. So like $1,754.98 drawdown. So I don't really know, but on the starter account, I would think I'd only need to make like 5 more days of $100 and then can request another payout, I'm thinking. Don't think I ever got 2 payouts on the starter account. Usually I turn and burn them. Usually I, you know, make the $1,200, $1,300, you know, $1,400, $1,500, somewhere around there, and then I take the $1,200 out and then burn the account. So that's usually what I do with the starter accounts. This time I got a buffer, so. Thanks for tuning in, by the way. I started trading a week ago. Can I trade without a broker? On your personal account or with a prop firm? Because we're trading prop firms mostly. I do trade my personal account on E-Trade. But yeah, you would need a broker like to trade futures like Trade-Evate or AMP futures, or like I have E-Trade for my futures account, but yeah, you would need a broker to trade futures. But yeah, some good future brokers if you want to trade personal money, which it's not financial advice, but I wouldn't recommend it when you're first starting out. I know it's controversial to say that, but take it from me. I traded my own personal money when I first started trading futures, lost 15K within like a month of my personal money. The very first trade I made on a futures account, I lost $500 in real money. That could have bought me a lot of Billinox accounts, or could have bought me 10 Top Step 50K combines, you know. And then if you get a prop firm like Top Step, and you know you pay $50 for a 50K account and work out your strategy and get your feet wet by having skin in the game, you know, your $50, you know, you're gonna feel those emotions, and yeah, it's just a little investment for getting your feet wet. Cause yeah, I mean, I struggled I'm still not the best trader in the world, you know, but I am on my way up. Definitely a profitable prop firm trader for sure. As far as my personal account, I took some big hits in my personal account. So Top Step is just a... Hey Joey, what's going on, man? Yeah, we did a little payout party. We took a little My Funded Future payout. They paid within less than 2 minutes, Joey. They paid out so fast that I forgot to even hit the stopwatch. Thanks, Eddie. So yeah, will I? So Top Step is a prop firm that they have different platforms that you can use. So right here, this is their Top Step X platform. It's their own platform, I guess. It's powered by Project X. But yeah, super easy to learn and figure out. So if you're a beginner trader, I don't see why not using Top Step X. And they're a very reputable company. You know, are they the cheapest? No, but super easy, like, to use. I mean, get NASDAQ, whatever, gold, oil, whatever you want to trade right here. You can click the oil, trade it. They have good support. You know, they're just one of the top dogs. So the easiest platforms for me, is Trade-Evate, which is what you see here. This is how I started. Super easy. And of course, I don't use a lot of indicators or anything. I just have the initial balance high and low. And I have these inside bars. It's just a little indicator thing, but I don't really use moving averages or anything like that. So I trade pretty clean charts. So I just have always used the DOM and a 5-minute chart. That's just how I trade. So I don't need a lot. So Trade-Evate is just super easy too. So Top Step X, if you wanted to use Top Step, or if you wanted to try out like Bulanox, which is 75% off right now. They have their own Project X platform, so it's very similar to Top Step X. It's the same company. They designed the same platform for each of the companies. So, but yeah, these two are really easy to use. A lot of people use NinjaTrader, things like the other one I use is Quantower, but those are a little more advanced, I would say. But for a new trader, yeah, these are super easy. Yeah, you just started. You start with 40 bucks. Well, I mean, if you only got 40 bucks, I would say, you know, Top Step, it costs you 50. But, you know, Bulanox, you could get a 50K account for, I don't know, 75% off right now. Let me just look here. But you would have to use their, well, you can use Quantower and Rhythmic and all that stuff, but that can be a little difficult if you're a new trader trying to figure it out. But you have to request their, let's see. So yeah, 50K account with Bulanox costs you $43. But honestly, if it was me, I would get a Top Step account. And I'm no affiliation with Top Step whatsoever. I just use them. So the market's dead. Hey Simon. Yeah, the market's dead. Hey, what's up? What's going on, man? Thanks for the sub. Yeah, smash the like button, guys. Thanks for the sub. Yeah, we're just streaming a little different time. We're doing a little payout party. We've gotten a few payouts this year already. We gotten a few with Take Profit Trader, and one with My Funded Futures, and this Express account's looking pretty healthy right now, and our Apex account's looking real healthy as well. So we should have some more payouts coming in pretty soon. Trading S&P 500, so like ES. Yeah, I don't trade it personally, but I like the fast action of the NASDAQ. So ES just moves a little bit too slow to me. So this is the S&P 500, what they call ES. Now this is where all the big dogs trade. You won't see a lot of streamers trading this, the ES, but just because it moves so slow. But I do watch the ES. I watch the ES while I'm trading NASDAQ, because the ES tends to lead just a tiny bit. So I like to know what the ES is doing before I go to make a trade on the NASDAQ, if that makes any sense. No, but I think someone should set up an indicator for it, or a bot. Fade the house account. You would have made some serious coinage. But yeah, the problem I think with the Top Step house account is that you have too many cooks spoiling the broth. They usually have 3 to 4 traders on there. They all have their own opinions. And then it's just like, y'all can't be in... You can't all agree on the same trade. And it just doesn't work. Like when I'm live trading, I know that half of you are going long and half of you are going short. I mean, that's just the way the market works, right? And we're all not going to see the same things. I could say, well, the market's definitely going down. I think the market's going down. And then you guys in the chat are going, geez, I really think it's going up. That's just the way it works, So I kind of think that's the way it, that's the problem with the Top Step house account. But I don't really watch them too much. Occasionally. I like their psychology segments, things like that. They have some good people on there. And they have some good traders on there as well. So I'm not gonna knock them all, but and it's tough trading on stream. I mean, if Joey's still listening, Joey Morgan in the chat, he's a YouTube streamer. It's not easy. It takes some getting used to. The market is super slow, guys. I was kind of hoping it was going to be a little better than this. Not much of a spread, though, on the NQ, which is nice. I trade both, Trav. If I'm trading evaluations, I'm definitely trading minis. I kind of look at the market to see the volatility in the morning, and I'll place and I'll trade micros on the smaller accounts, like the 25K accounts. But evaluations, I'm always trading minis. And like tonight, like if I go to place a trade, I'm gonna trade a mini. Just because the volatility is just not there. So. But like I said in an earlier Trav, my largest payout was with micros, with 25K accounts. I was just copy trading 10 accounts, and then I was trading micros. Because you can make some good money. You get good volatility. You can get some good. You can make some good money with just 2 micros. You make $200 a day across 10 accounts, 20 accounts. You know, that's a good day's pay. But looking at your chart, from what I learned, is that the pattern is called shooting star, which means you should buy that pattern because it's going up. Right? Yeah, Trav, that's actually a really good thing to do. So the reason why I'm not trading copy trading multiple accounts right now is because I've been struggling. This month I've been trading pretty well. But the past, I think December was kind of a train wreck for me. So yeah, but that's really smart to size down. It's like, don't quit. You know, just don't quit trading. You know, size down and then build some confidence back up, and then, you know, go from there. Getting 150K combine tomorrow. Been practicing. Let's see if I can trade it like a practice account. Yeah, Vince, for sure. Yeah, go for it. I mean, if you can get funded with that 150K account, sweet. I kind of like treat the 50K accounts like, and this is not the right thing to do, I treat them like a 150K account. So like this My Funded Futures, you know, there's no more trailing drawdown on this account anymore. We just took the $1,200 payout. Now we have $1,754 because of the 50,100, but there's no more trailing drawdown. Oh yeah, it shows right here, $1,755. So that's my drawdown. But it's not going to trail anymore. So essentially it's like having a $1,755 static account, which is not a lot of room. And it's plenty, but it's, I mean, if you're trading minis and you get in the 2 minis or something, you know, that $1,755 can be wiped out really quick. Alright, let's see what we're going on in the charts here. Still super dead slow, but putting in a little inside bar here. I might take a break of it. Just try to go for 10 points now. Market's pretty dead, so I'm just gonna risk 10 points. Kind of liking the long side a bit, even though we're kind of in a little bit of a down channel. But we'll see. Definitely no volatility today. See if we can get triggered in. So I'm going to risk just below the low here. Just tapped us in there, so But yeah, could take all night for this trade to work or not work. So it's a cheap enough trade for me. I'm just risking 10 points, 11 points actually. Well, actually not 11 points, sorry. But yeah, so this is why it's hard to trade if you only have 40 bucks, because we're already in $65 drawdown if you're trading minis. So yeah, prop firms is definitely the way to go if you're on a limited budget. So I've been trading this account, kind of seeing how many $200 days I can get out of it, because with Top Step they count the $200 days. And if you get 30 $200 days, you can withdraw the whole thing, even though I'm not looking to do that. But this little trade right here has worked 10 out of the last 11 days. Now I'm just forward testing it, so we'll see. Now, for all I know, it could lose the next 10 days. And it ain't looking so good right now. $27 viewers. Thanks, guys. Smash the like button if you don't mind. Helps out the channel. So this is one of my dumb setups. That's what I call it, my dumb setup. So right here, it's an inside bar. They call it like a harami candle. And normally, like during the New York session, they work much better, as you can see here. So this is a inside bar here. Took a break here, went long. Got a nice play out of it. And on the Asian session, I've been looking at the first inside bar of the session. It's just a little something that I kind of observed one day. I said, look at this dumb trade. And so I've been taking this dumb trade, and I've been forward testing it 1-to-1. So with Top Step, you gotta have $200 days, so I do 205 instead of the 20. So I go 200 plus a tick. So yeah. Someone in the chat calls it boomer trading. I think it was one of our subscribers, Josh, calls it boomer trading. But yeah, I mean, that's not all my setups, but yeah, it's just one of the setups that I trade. But yeah, I've just been observing this one on the Asian session, so just the start. And yeah, been looking for 10 points, kind of in and out. And that's it. Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, it's just something I observed a couple years ago, and I've just been trading them a lot lately. So hopefully that wasn't a little fake out push for that candle. Hopefully we can get some continuation to the upside now. If not, you know, our stop's just below the low. So if we're wrong, we're wrong. I'll actually even put it right there. I'll save myself $5. So not every trade's gonna be a winner, so I have some strategies that are only 30% win rates, but yet they're profitable because I'm hitting 3-to-1, 4-to-1 on those trades. So there's something here. I'll show you guys some, since we got some new traders in here. This is actually pretty valuable, the way to look at things. So yeah, this is a kind of neat. Oops. This little chart here, so you can see your win rates versus your risk versus reward ratios, I guess. So like a 1-to-1 trade, you know, you have to hit over 50% to be profitable. If you have a 1-to-2 trades, you only have to hit over 30%, so to be profitable. 1-to-3 and so on. 1-to-5 trades. So like this trade that I'm on right now is a 1-to-1, so I have to hit, you know, over 50% to be profitable. And so far, like I said, it's hit 10 out of 11 days so far. So yeah, it's just something to think about if you're a new trader, trying to figure out your strategies and things like that. You hear about win rates and all that, and people will say, oh, I got 80% win rate and all that, but it really doesn't matter if your risk to reward is not there. Because like on Top Step, like Dakota, who, you know, I think he's a pretty good trader. Whether or not his account is real, I don't know. I think it is, but he does work for Top Step, so. But you'll see him going, like, he doesn't really have a high win rate. But when he wins big. So if he's only hitting 30, 20, I don't even know what he hits. I think he says around like 35% or something like that. But he's shooting for like that 4-to-1. This market is dreadful. Painful. Is anyone else trading this right now? See, this is one of those trades that's nice where if I wasn't streaming, I would have just put this trade on, walk away, go hang out with a girl, eat some supper, whatever, and just come back later. Hey, Rock Driller, how's it going, man? Good to see you in here. Heard you guys got some snow down in Georgia. It is so cold here. It's too cold to snow here in Maine. Yeah, that's all we got last storm is 4 inches of snow. But yeah, it is cold. I think we had well below zero. My dad says he had like 13 below zero at like 5 a.m. this morning at his house. So no, Rock Driller. No, I was looking at pictures in Florida and stuff of the snow, and I was like, that's pretty awesome. I wish I was down in Florida for that. Well, my dad was telling me, because he grew up in Georgia, he says he grew up around Macon and near the Air Force Base, and they got snow down there when he was a little kid. And my grandfather, being from Maine, drove to the base to go to work. And they said, "What are you doing? You can't be here. Like, or why'd you drive here? Like, we're shut down for the day. The runways are all shut down. Like, we have no way to remove the snow." And he's like, "I don't know." He's like, "It was only a few inches of snow." But yeah, but you know, they don't have any way to remove it down there. So. But yeah, it's been kind of wacky weather. This is like pulling teeth. I like where the take profit is. I like where the stop is. So. I don't know what kind of music we got going on, guys. It's just copyright-free music. Little upbeat to keep me awake here at night. So wants to push. I think tomorrow's going to be wacky. With we got unemployment news in the morning, and then Trump speaking at 11 a.m. That's definitely going to move the market. I really recommend being flat, because it's going to be a red folder event. You can check Forex Factory here. You can see right here, 11 a.m. Eastern. He's speaking. So. This is moving like ES. Yeah, super high volatility rock driller for sure. Yeah, I sized down on my Apex accounts to 2 micros. Someone was asking about S&P and ES. This is how the ES moves. Sometimes they're in New York. Come on, can we get like just give me 5 more points. See what else is moving here. Gold is in a downtrend from about 1 o'clock. It's kind of trending. It's in a little down channel. Gold. ES is doing nothing. Just sitting still. Dow is doing nothing. Neither is oil. The market is just quiet tonight. So we got a nice little up channel going on in the 5 minutes. Just there's just no momentum at all. So that is nice. If we can just keep following that channel up, we'll be good, but If we break this channel, then yeah, we could get stopped out. But I guess we got a bit of a down trend line here. This I'm not going to count as too much. I don't know. We'll see if it works or not. $27 viewers. Thanks, guys. Don't like that pullback. Still good though. I can't believe how slow the market is. Well, guys, I don't really know what to say. This is like crazy dead. Hey, Dad trades stocks. What's going on? It kind of depends, but usually anywhere between, I don't know. If I make it one good trade, then I'm done for the day. But usually between 5 to 10. Unless I'm trading an evaluation, then I'm trading a lot. I'll try to scalp all day, trading evaluations and combines. This trade literally feels like a coin flip trade. Just like flip a coin. But you can see right here, Dad trades stocks like on this My Funded Future account that we just took a payout on. You can see 2 trades here, 5 trades here, 12 this day, 7, 6, 29 that day. I don't know. Oh, I know what I was doing. It's probably tilty after hitting this daily loss limit. So I was looking to get it back. But 6, 3, 7, 10. But usually, like I always say, like if I can tell you the trades I've made at the end of the day, then it was a good day. But if I made so many trades that I can't tell you the ones I took, then I was probably a little tilty. All right, we swept the lows here of this 5-minute candle, so let's push it. Oh, I'm with you. Yeah, dash trade stocks. Yeah, this session, I've lost a lot of accounts in the Asian session. So this one right here, it's gonna be one trade on this account, and then that's pretty much it. Unless I see something gold or something, but yeah. I've lost a lot. I hate starting the New York session in the hole real bad from going on tilt the night before and getting chopped up in like this kind of crappy market. So yeah, I hear what you're saying. The less trades the better, really. Like you said, 3 trades a day is very, very good. Very disciplined. Because you're waiting for your best setups, you know? I mean, the better traders, and some of the best traders, they trade very little. We need a little news pump. We need a tweet from the president or something to move this market. Anyone get caught in that flash crash during the just after the inauguration? That was crazy. I know some people lost a lot of accounts. This was a flash crash right here, 6:50 or 7:50 Eastern time. 100-point candle there, 300-point move total. Huh, I don't know who Matt Kors is, but yeah, trades by Matt. So it's trades by Matt, the disciplined one. He's gotten much better. I've been watching him for a couple years now. He used to be a very tilty trader, but he's definitely become much more disciplined. Yeah, for sure, yeah. He's kind of figured out a system with his base hits, grabbing 10 points, you know. Kind of like this, but just base hits. Yeah, he talks about it in an interview, Trades by Matt, where, and when I used to watch him, you get a trending market, say we're going to the moon, we're just going higher, and it's just a trend day higher, and he would be constantly trying to fade it and adding to the losing trade, and I don't know what he was trading, whether it was a personal account or what, but he'd be hit down like $18,000-$19,000. It was crazy. Oh yeah. Huh. I never heard of him. I'll have to look him up. Yeah, right now I'm not doing any copy trading of. Just within, I'll copy trade just within the different props, but I'm not doing any big copy trading right now. It's just haven't been, in December, I said it earlier, like December I just didn't trade that well. I've been trading pretty well this month. hey, at the end of the year, and then I don't trade very well. December, you know. But the start of this year, it's been pretty good. They were up $5,383 with payouts. You know, I calculate the resets. So net profit $5,383 with the personal and the payouts and everything. But I'd love to start hitting those big numbers like Alpine and Patrick Whelan, I guess. Got that big Apex payout, you know. But to me, it's just about making a living and not having to go back to working for the man. This is just nonsense. We could just chop like this for, well, usually 8 p.m. you usually get a little spike in volatility. Hopefully it spikes in our direction. But I've seen it do this before, and then eventually I hit take profit. Just that slow grind. Be right back, guys. I'm back. And the market has done nothing. Let's see if I can. Well, guys, I don't want to bore you any longer. So we got a payout for My Fund to Future. It took less than 2 minutes to get the payout, so that's pretty sweet. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button. Really helps me out. And I'm just going to leave this trade on, and I'm going to go eat dinner and hang out for the rest of the night and watch some TV and get ready for tomorrow morning. But I appreciate everyone stopping in, especially all you newcomers. Welcome. And if you're interested in using any of the prop firms, I have links in the description. So it really helps the channel, helps me out. And yeah, smash the like button. Hey Cube, what's going on, man? Glad you found me. Yeah, we're just watching paint dry, so I'm just about to hop off. We've been streaming for about an hour and 20 minutes or so. And for you new guys, if you go back to my previous live streams and you want to see any of my trades, just I pin the trades in the comments. I try to after every live stream if I have a chance. So yeah, so I appreciate all of you, and yeah, find me, hit the bell. Thanks guys, peace. See you, Cube.